Welcome back to another anatomy lecture. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating and protective structures of the human body, the skull. Introduction. The skull is the bony framework of the head. It protects our brain, supports the face, and forms the cavities for our eyes, nose, and mouth. In total, it's made up of 22 bones. All joined together by immovable joints called sutures, except for one bone that moves, the mandible or lower jaw. Main division of the skull. 1. The cranium. 2. The facial bone. 1. The cranium. The cranium protects the brain and is made of 8 bones. Let's break them down. Unpaired cranial bones. The frontal bone forms the forehead and upper part of the eye sockets. The occipital bone forms the back and base of the skull and has a large opening called the foramen magnum, where the spinal cord passes. The sphenoid bone is butterfly-shaped and connects with almost every other cranial bone. The ethmoid bone is light and spongy, it forms part of the nasal cavity and the medial wall of the orbit. Paired cranial bones. Parietal bones, 2, form the sides and roof of the skull. Temporal bones, 2, lie near the ears and house the structures of hearing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay learning.